If your goal is to stay youthful and fit for as long as possible, this video is perfect for you. I'll be sharing 5 of the best anti-aging exercises that can help you stay strong, flexible, and healthy. The last exercise is a real game changer, so stick around until the end. Let's dive in. 1. Squats. Squats engage several major muscle groups. While performing squats, you're working your glutes, quads, and inner thighs. The muscles in your back and core stabilize your spine and help maintain an upright posture. Since squats target many of the body's largest muscles, they help build strength and endurance, allowing you to move with ease and perform daily activities like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair. Squats also help improve joint health. With the right technique, squats strengthen the knee, hip, and ankle joints, enhancing their function and reducing the risk of injury. They also promote better bone density, lowering the risk of osteoporosis. To do squats correctly, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keeping your arms straight out in front of you or behind your head. Slowly lower yourself as you inhale, keeping your back straight. Pause at the bottom and exhale as you rise back up. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. 2. Plank. The plank is an excellent exercise for strengthening your core. Consistently practicing planks improves posture and can help alleviate back pain caused by muscle imbalances. Planks also enhance body tone and can prevent balance issues that may lead to injuries. Additionally, they stretch muscles and tendons, contributing to increased flexibility. Mentally, planks can have meditative benefits, as focusing on breathing during the static hold can calm your mind and reduce stress. To do the plank, start in a push-up position with your hands and feet shoulder-width apart. Lower onto your forearms, keeping your elbows under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Engage your core to maintain stability. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat for 3 sets. Lunges are great for toning the glutes, but they also engage the thighs, calves, back, and abs. They relieve stress on the lower back, which helps with lumbar pain and improve posture by balancing both sides of the body. Lunges also help boost coordination and flexibility by targeting the flexor muscles, and they can contribute to weight loss by burning calories and building muscle. To perform lunges, stand with feet shoulder-width apart. Step forward, bending both legs at 90-degree angles, with your front knee directly over your ankle and your back knee hovering just above the floor. Keep your spine neutral and your core engaged. Return to the starting position, then repeat with the opposite leg. Complete 3 sets of 10 reps on each side. Push-ups strengthen the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles. They're excellent for preventing sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass. Regular push-ups help maintain strong muscles, support healthy bones and joints, and lower the risk of fractures. They also enhance cardiovascular and respiratory health, boost joint mobility, and improve overall balance and stability. To do push-ups correctly, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower yourself by bending your elbows, keeping your core tight and your body aligned. Push back up to the starting position. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. The glute bridge is a powerful exercise that targets the glutes while also working the thighs and core. It's not only great for shaping the buttocks but also for improving pelvic and lower back stability. Glute bridges are often used in rehabilitation to reduce chronic pain and prevent injuries. To perform a glute bridge, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Keep your hands by your sides with palms down. Squeeze your glutes and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause at the top, then slowly lower your hips back to the floor. Perform 3 sets of 10 reps. And there you have it. 5 powerful anti-aging exercises to keep your body strong and youthful. Don't forget to check out more videos and hit the like and subscribe buttons for more tips on staying fit and healthy.